Hey Sam fam, welcome back to another Fashion Friday. If you're new here, this is Sam and I create videos on almost everything. I recently bought a pair of these classic Converse All-Star white shoes. As you can see, it's super wide. Hope it remains so. I think I've seen these shoes on a lot of people and I always wanted to get one. But I had read of them, I guess 3-4 years ago. But anyways, it's here in my hand. I have it now. These white beauties are easiest to style as they go perfectly on any kind of outfits, whether it's casual, work, sporty or any dressier look. So today I'm going to show you guys 5 outfit styles where I paired these sneakers. But before we get started, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button to stay in loop. Let's begin, shall we? Enjoyed the video? If yes, please leave a red heart by liking this video, share with your friends and most importantly, subscribe to my channel and hit that tiny bell to receive notification of more awesome videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I should take a leave now. Until we meet on another Tuesday, Allah Hafiz.